Hi guys. Um, it's been 7 days from the last video, and as I did so far, as I have done so far, I'm gonna share my views about Bitcoin, Euro, oil, gold, and NASDAQ. Okay, let's get started. Um, Maybe I posted my last video, maybe nearly this this time, right? Um, yeah, maybe I guess this time. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk about from this point. Um, Maybe I insisted that it was gonna be go down because there was a impulse. But now I'm thinking that it it cannot be impulse, but ABC because I can because now I'm thinking of this triangle pattern. So I believe that it is gonna be much better to see like ABC this way. And I am thinking that it'll go on shaping triangle pattern because there, as you can see, was increasing. Um, there, the volume was increasing. So I think that yeah, it's a high chance. It's high chance that it'll go on like triangle pattern. So now I'm thinking that there was ABC like this, and with a 2 hour candles, we can see there was a divergence pattern like this. So I think that um, it is likely that it is going to go up like this. Then we can see twice. I mean, we can see two things to check. If if it goes like this, then we can think um, this pattern, head and shoulder pattern, or we can see another thing is that this triangle pattern. So if triangle pattern is right, then um, we can consider it as fourth wave like this, fourth wave and last fifth wave. Then it'll go down like this. Then with a long-term view, we can see this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If triangle pattern is right. But if if it is not a triangle pattern, then we can see this way, like head and shoulder pattern. Then it'll go down like this up to this point. Yeah, this is my big view of my analysis. Um, yeah, and I'm gonna share how I trade it. Um, and let's talk about euro. Um, yeah, maybe I guess, yeah, maybe I guess this point was my um last video, and I said that I was looking at this head and shoulder pattern, and it's copy with the handle pattern, but it's kind of a little bit not powerful that much than what I expected. So I said that it is likely to go up like this, but I feel like um, there is chance that it ended already. So I feel like we might have to see downtrend. We might have to see downtrend because there was impulse like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my counting is like this: triangle pattern and 1 A and triangle B C. C was the impulse. So um A B C like this. And there was some portion here, I guess. Yeah, not really. Um, anyways, I'm thinking that it can go down, and we have to see if this point is broken or not. Um, yeah, and if we consider um, dollar index chart, there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, it rebounded um, um, exactly on this under trend line. So it also have a chance to break out this upper trend like this. I'm thinking that it can go out of this channel with 70% in my opinion. So that is why um, that is why I don't bother entering long position with euro. So we have to see as a downtrend trading short on euro. So that is gonna be my analysis for the next week. Yeah, and let's talk about gold. Um, yeah, yeah, it was what I meant. There was a proportion exactly. Maybe I guess 1 to 1. Yeah, it is kind of slightly shorter. Yeah, it is like shorter, but I'm thinking that it's done. It's time to go down. How? Like this. So I'm gonna trade with this analysis. I'm not gonna long on gold, never. Then we can see this pattern like um head and shoulder pattern. Then we can see it is likely to go down if it exactly show a head and shoulder pattern, then it'll go down up to this point. Then, as I said earlier, it is gonna touch this important um, important uh, MA, yeah, moving average with weekly view, weekly candle, and as you can see, there was a big tail of this candle, as you can see. So I'm thinking that it's gonna go down like this. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna see as a short on on gold, and we can see this as channel like this. Nah, I feel like it's gonna be better to see like wedge close to the channel like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there was another wedge like this. Actually, so I entered my position at this point precisely. It was lucky, and I'm gonna show my um, trading record later of this um, later um, on this video. Yeah. So I can see there was a impulse and ABC, and I thought of triangle pattern, but I'm thinking that um, triangle pattern also was gonna be good. Then we have to see like this way, or we can also see like that, like like this wedge pattern. Then ABC, so ABC and absolutely ABC, ABC and ABC and like ABC, but wedge pattern here. And also there was a um, continuous divergence like this here, here, here. Also with a 4-hour candle here, here, here. So yeah, there was a lot of signal to show going down. So that is why I took a short. Okay, so it was my view about gold for the next week, and let's talk about oil. Yeah, maybe I talked about oil like by mentioning this channel. So as and I said that um, it is likely to go up nearly at this point up to up to upper side of the channel, and it came and it became it became like what I said, luckily, and it shows going down, but I don't think it has a power to break out this line, because there is a powerful volume profile, as well as it consists of 5 waves, which means that it is likely that it um, was the end. So I am expecting that it can show like double bottom like this. I'm not sure how much it can go down, but I am thinking that it is gonna be a good trade after confirming deviation of this channel. Then we can see that, yeah, it goes up, which means that it can show like ABC or ABC. Then we can trade in this box. So we have to see that moment. Of course, it can go down directly. Unfortunately, unlike what I expected, but I never gonna take long showing this powerful candle. If it shows powerful candle, so it's gonna be important to see making a double bottom pattern, like W pattern. You know what I'm saying? Also, we have to check if divergence happens or not. Yeah, this is my view of the oil. And lastly, let's talk about NASDAQ. Maybe I guess, um, I said that it is likely that it was a wave, but I was kind of wrong in my opinion, because it shows big moving about compared to this trend. So I think that it is gonna be better to see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? Then we have to counting this way. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to see these as a trend. You know what I'm saying? Precisely 1, 2, um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, which means that 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, it is much neater. Yeah. So, which means that there is gonna be an opportunity to take long at this point, because, as I said earlier, I am thinking that it is a one wave, and it is a one wave, but I don't think it is like ABC, but it is likely to go up, showing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is my view. It is my current view, but I'm not sure if it is possible because um, it's like go up like 10% in a short term or10, much more than 10%. So I'm not sure of it about this scenario, but according to my counting, it is a possibility for sure. So it was my view uh, about some communities, and I'm going to talk about how I traded so far by sharing my trading record. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I guess it's gonna be better to talk about from December 27th. Okay. I bought, I took a long on oil. Yeah, yeah. It was my lost. I was lost. Uh, I, I, I lost my money at this point. Okay. Um, I, I thought that in this case, there was one wave like this, and I am thinking that it can show like this, but it didn't move like this way, but it moves like there was a correction and like this, ABC, ABC. So yeah, it showed like this ABC, but C was too short for me. So I am thinking that it is likely to break out this line, you see? So maybe I guess I traded, hold on. Um, yeah, yeah, right. So I traded with a long here, but I was kind of, um, my psychology collapsed at the time because um, it showed a big moving like this. So I was kind of scary. So I stopped out at this point. But um, it was totally my fault because even though I add additional position at this point. I plan it that way because there was another, yeah, here, you see, here is a moving average meeting, as you can see. So I thought that I'm gonna split twice time. I split it twice time and I planned that way, but I stopped out at this point. It was uh, it's all about my weak um, psychology. So it was my bad. I didn't trade it what I with my plan. So if I did what I planned, then I'm gonna do. I took a long and I took additional long. So my average um, price is gonna be like here, and uh, I'm gonna get out of my. I mean, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close my position here because there was a meeting of the moving average. So um, it was bad, but I learned a lot of things from this trading. So I want to remember it. Actually, at the time, I thought of impulse wave like this, but it was not. Yeah, so yeah, it's okay. So I lost my money like 3.41 USD, and I traded euro. Let me see, where was it? Where it was euro. Yeah, I took a long here, right? Okay. Um, in this case, I see as a wedge here because it was a possibility like this way, ABC, and it's pretty seems like impulse wave and wedge ending diagonal pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I thought of it can be the end of the end of the ABC. However, I didn't take a short. I didn't take a short because I saw it as a ABC. It has to go up um, more than this point. So that is why I didn't take a short. But uh, I'm waiting for. I was waiting for breakout of this wedge. Then I can take a long position. I can take a long on euro. So I take here and here I take a long position here and I get a first profit and second profit and third profit. Yeah, I feel like I traded one more with a long position here and I took a short here. Okay, let me explain it. In this case, I saw this way, this wedge, but um, I took a short here, but I stopped out here because there was a breakout, and I also take a long. I mean, I made a switch, so I made a switch. Yeah, so I take a long position here, and I yeah close my position here. In this case, you see. Oh, maybe I guess I was not taking a short here. Yeah, I didn't take a short. Sorry, my bad. I didn't take a short here, so it was a great judgment. Maybe I guess it was kind of suspicious when it comes to RSI because there was not divergence error, so it was good for me. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, but there was a big mistake because I thought that it can go up over and over. But it was my greed. It was totally, I was like greedy because um, it was a here, as you can see, here was a it was a exactly returning pattern. So it can be the greatest point to take a short. I mean, I had to take a short at this point because there was a impulse wave here, one, two, three, four, five. But and also there was a triple divergence. I mean, I feel like, yeah, not triple divergence because it didn't, yeah, it didn't go over previous the highest point. So uh, it was my biggest. It was the biggest mistake. I had to take a short here, but on the other hand, I took a long here because um, I was like because I was holding a long position, so I was kind like fool. Yeah, I was foolish. I saw this way, like this wedge. It was ridiculous. So that is why I took a long position here, even though there was exact impulse wave. So it was my big mistake. If I take a short here, then I feel like, wow, I can get like 950 point. Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay. So that's it. And I traded Bitcoin here. Um, yeah. Um, maybe I took a long position here. Maybe I took a buy limit and I slipped. And the next day, the very next day, I checked the if if my limit was touched or not, but it touched. So the reason why I took a long was there was a exact impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there was a ABC pattern. So that is why I took a long, and even there was a triple divergence here and here. So it was good. I took a long here by considering this wedge pattern. Yeah, and fortunately, I wasn't stopped out. Maybe I guess I took a stop loss maybe here. So I was like lucky. Maybe I guess maybe I considered this this tail. Yeah, but um but my bad. I traded this buy with another account. Let me show you. Yeah, I took a long here. So yeah, and I took a short here because there was a powerful volume profile. So I thought that it's gonna rebound like this. I mean, it is gonna turn back. and there was a wedge pattern like this. It is like it is close to the channel, and there was a divergence, yeah, like this, here and here. Oh, my bad. Here and here. And 5 wave, as always I mentioned. Yeah, that is why I took a short, and I take first profit here, and I second profit here, and I get out of my position, whole position, maybe I guess here. So yeah, as you can see, that was my trading record. But unfortunately, I took a short here with this another account, but in MetaTrader, I got stopped out nearly at this point. Maybe I guess my stop loss was shorter. Let me show you guys. Yeah, here. I took a short here and I got stopped out. Yeah. I should have set up my stop loss a little bit longer. Anyways, yeah, and I traded euro here. Um, what was that? Bye. Yeah, that's it. Those are what I mentioned. And I traded oil yesterday. Okay. Yeah, right. I took a short here and I closed my position here. Okay, as you can see, there was a channel like this, even though there was a slight breakout. But anyways, there was a channel, and I took a short here because there was a upper side of the channel, and I saw this Bollinger Band. So it was out of the band, and yeah, as you can see, there was a moving average. So that is why I took a limit, sell limit here, and I closed my position here. Originally, I usually pursue holding my position, but I didn't do that in this case. And I am holding another position right now, so yeah, which is gold. I talked about it. So, as you can see, I took a short here. You see? 2086. 2086. Yeah, nearly at this point. I thought about it. Yeah. And I am hoarding. Yeah, like overnight. Um, I wanna keep holding this position as much as possible because it was a good position, good place to take short. And I am looking forward this this way, and I'm gonna take a short more aggressively. Um, but before com before being convinced about um, this way, it is going to be better to see if this trend line is broken. So yeah, because um there is there is chance to go up, unlike what I expected. We have to leave a little um a probability. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. Yeah. So my equity is 61 right now, and I am gonna make up to 100 because which was my starting equity. I deposited for the first time 100 USD, so I had to restore. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys to trade. And Happy New Year. Yeah, have a good one, guys.